In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to check bank network on Opay business app. So this will definitely help you on when you are actually running a transaction, so that there won't be any issue on your Opay business. So how you can actually do that is logging into your Opay business app. Then you can see more down below under the services right here. So just click on more. Then you're gonna see under the assistance, so you see network, so you can click on the network option. So once you click on that, it's gonna take you straight down to this page right here. You can see withdrawal, deposit. You see the bank transaction success rate is actually there. So you can see access bank 47%. You can see UBA 90%. So this actually give us the network success rate. As you can see, for withdrawal, for deposit, so you can see the success rate. So they provide almost all the banks right here. So 100%, most of them are actually I think most of the fintech apps are literally 100% compared to some banks. So you can also see the bills page. You can see category Airtel, Glow. So they provided almost the network rate as well. So this is how you can check for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and all that.